Yo, hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you the new and improved EA86 drag tune. Yeah, oh, okay. It gets way faster runs, I'll just say that. Way faster. It is so freaking fast. This one is it demolished the first one by 100 milliseconds. So this one got a 10.888 on the drag strip. Yeah. So just saying, you know. And here is the tuning parts, of course. There's that. There's that. There's that. And there's that. These wheels, of course. And if y'all just wanna download the tune alone from everything, I'll just go ahead and put hold on here. Pause if need so. This is like a newer version, like a new idea. I'm probably gonna make a better version if I can. And then here's the save setup. And then we're gonna do wait, it's probably this. Bro, how did I forget how to spell drag? Alright. The new and improved for y'all. And there y'all go. And then the last thing to prove that it's legitimate. Oh, it's raining. Well, I'll just show you all the time. Because I don't, yeah. 00.10.888. Anyways, guys, let me know down in the comments if this helps you get way faster times. And I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.